To find the value of x, we have to make both sides have the same base. Now 5 is the base here, and 125 can be expressed in form in terms of 5, such that here now we have 5 power 2x to be equal to 5 power what we give 125, that will be 5 power 3, because 5 times 5 is 25, 25 times 5 is 125. Then don't forget we have x minus 1 here. So now we have 5 power 2x to be equal to 5 power 3 times x will be 3x, and 3 times -1 will be -3. So now that we are having the same base, we can equate the power. We can only equate the power if the base are the same. So now that we've made the base the same, we can equate the power such that 2x will be equal to 3x minus 3. Now let's collect the like terms. Then we'll be having 3x minus 2x to be equal to 3, because if this comes here, it becomes -2, and if this comes here, it becomes +3. So 3x minus 2x will now be x. So x is equal to 3. For this question now, x is equal to 3. If you have any question, leave it in the comments or just click on the link in the description and I will bring the solution your way.